Monday, March 2, 2026, 18:03 and 58 seconds.
Cleveland 911, dispatcher on the do you need police, fire, or an ambulance?
Police.
Yeah, Cleveland Police, what's the address of the emergency?
It's a park, Midland and 162nd Street. I just found a head, in a suitcase in the park. Come here, dog. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay, what's your name and phone number?
My name is Philip.
Plunder, True Crime Audio.
Your last name?
Donaldson. Donaldson.
Okay, and is it a human head or an animal head?
Yes, no, it's a human head in a suitcase with it looks like some other body parts. I was walking my dog and my dog stopped and there was something like half buried. It looked like a suitcase. I pulled it up and unzipped it and opened it, and that's what it was.
Okay. You said by Midland and East 162?
Yes.
Okay. And where is the suitcase?
It's all the way to the back of the park. There's a black suitcase. I'm standing on the sidewalk right now, and you can actually see the suitcase from here. Okay, it was like half buried, and I was walking my dog, and my dog started sniffing it. I've been walking past it for a few days.
Yeah.
And I said, let me just take a look and see what this is, because it wasn't there like last week.
Sorry, I'm just typing this all in so we can get help out there.
I was hoping it wasn't that, but
yeah,
it is.
Don't be a hater. Oh, have you come in? Yeah, I should have just Melissa, can you come here, please?
All right, we're getting officers out there, okay? Thank you for calling.
All right. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Tuesday, March 3, 2026, 10:27 and 22 seconds.
Cleveland Police Dispatcher, how can I help you?
I'm confused. Is that the ride? Is it?
Police?
Hey, how you doing? I'm calling because the police was just at my door.
What's the address?
Plunder, True Crime Audio.
Michael? Girl. Huh?
You said 7... What was it?
Yeah. East 162nd.
East 162nd.
Yeah,
You said the police were just at your house?
Yeah, girl, talking about a child wellness check.
Okay, why do you need police now?
Girl, I was calling to ask why they're knocking on my door talking about checking on my kids.
So you want to speak to the officer about that? Are they still there?
No. I'm not at home. I'm getting called.
Okay, is there anybody who's home now?
Michael, what did they say to you?
Tell Micah to talk to the police. Are the police still there?
Oh, he said that they was claiming to be knocking on everybody's door to check on everybody's kids in the neighborhood. Y'all doing that?
So are the police there talking to Micah?
Well, they gone now.
Okay, so tell Micah to get the officers back, and then maybe she can hand them the phone.
The police they're not there though. That's what I'm calling for, to figure out what's going on.
Can she still see the police?
What is going? There's no other way for me to find out the information.
So the police are there. That's the thing. Like, they have all the
Nobody said the police was there. Yeah, I'm calling a non-police officer. I'm not calling 911. I'm calling to find out why they're knocking on the door. He also mentioned that they knew my name already, knew I had 5 kids. If y'all doing a wellness check on every house on the street, how do you know my information, how many kids I have?
That's what I'm saying. So the officers that is there, they have all the information that you need.
Michael.
So I'm saying,
can you let them know that they're not? Let her know that you're Michael.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Michael Franklin.
Sir, do you still see the officers?
No, they're gone. They were here earlier, and we were trying to figure out what was going on. Was that why were they stopping by?
So typically what you want to do is when the officer is there, you ask them what they want, because they can give you all the information.
They were at the door lying about knocking on everybody else's door, checking on their kids. They knew my name. They knew how many kids I had. They asked me for my information. They said they had a 440 number for me. How do they have all that information if they're doing a well? Hello?
Okay, I think that's better. What's your name, ma'am?
Are you talking to me or somebody else?
I'm talking to you. What's your name, ma'am?
This Shay Crater. They had my number. They said they had a 440 number for me and everything.
So typically, I understand your frustration, but when we think
it's not a frustration. It's just I feel like they knocked on the door lying.
Okay, so
about what they were really at my door for, because it's not like they went door to door.
Is there a reason you're speaking over me?
Now, I called you guys to give you the information that I know.
You have to let me speak. We have to have a conversation. You're speaking over me.
Oh, my God. Okay, can I speak to the officers?
The officers were at your house. Let me say this, okay? When the police are out, you want to ask them all the questions that you have, because this is dispatch. Once an officer is out there, it's beyond us. So we don't know exactly everything that goes on once it's past being dispatched. Does that make sense?
Okay, is there a way for me to get the information?
Where are you now?
I have court this morning. I have things that I am doing. I am not at home.
Okay, so what's your address? We can send an officer back out there so you can ask whatever questions you have.
I just said I'm on my way to court. Why would you send an officer to my house?
Is Michael at your house?
Ma'am, listen.
Is anybody home that can speak to police?
I just told you what they said to the person that was home.
Okay, so what I'm saying is we can send someone back out there if you have questions.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not at home, though. Is there another way? Can we move on, please? Is there another way for me to find out information about why they at my house?
You want to know why the police are at your house. Do
I have to come down there?
Hold on. Is there somebody at your house that can speak to police?
No, listen. Nobody's at my house. Nobody's asking for nobody to pull up. I am calling to get the information. You keep trying to send people out.
Because I can't give you anything over the phone. You typically want to speak to an officer face-to-face.
Do you have a... oh, my God. So I need to go down there is what you need to do.
Yeah, you go down there.
I'm not at home. What the fuck?
Yeah, go down there.
That's what it sounds. I would rather you tell me that. I'm not saying I'm staying at home to wait on